So I'm just sitting in here, right? Right, you hear that? This fucking thing's running, bro. It's running, bro. No way. What? What? Let's go, bro. Let's go. It's not running anymore. It does a thing sometimes where it shuts off. I don't know if it's electrical or if it's fuel, but it turned off. Turns out the van runs and drives like pretty much perfectly. I just had to give it a little bit of encouragement, I guess. This is astonishing, dude. The voltage is going down a little bit, which is what I think makes it a little unhappy. But watch this. And we got reverse too. The mirrors are a little funky, and it does a little bit of a jig every time you hit the end of the power steering. However, it motherfucking runs. And it drives a dream too, eh? One finger power steering. You only get that shit in Rolls Royces, bro. Look at that. One finger power steering. Has got a little bit of play, but whatever, dude. Now to see if I can get back in. Thing's about 3 football fields long. So, yeah. But, imagine this. The AC freaking works, dude. Not very well. Doesn't sound very happy. I wonder, does the heat work? No. The heat does not work. But you don't need heat, dude. You got windows and you got a sweater. So hell to the mother frickin' yeah, dude. But it's crazy because you really do just look straight down at the road. The windshield in this thing is huge too. It's great. It's amazing. Keys out, batteries in, it's in park. I don't know why, but I have to put it into neutral. Just the annoying little buzz thing. Turn it once, put it into neutral, touch the key. As of right now, I'm conducting a couple tests. Does the 12 volt work? And does it start again? Knock on wood. Same ritual as before. Oh, it starts up like a top. 12 volt works as well. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna turn off my phone and see if it works.